Hello, you're welcome to App Fix and In. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to fix TikTok not uploading videos. So let's say you want to upload a video on TikTok, or you are already uploading the video on TikTok, but it is stuck at uploading. It is not actually uploading. This is what you simply need to do. Now right here is my TikTok. I'm going to simply go back. So let's say this is your TikTok. In order to actually fix this problem, if you're having this problem, first you need to actually clear the app from the background like this and go back to the app once more to see if the problem is going to be fixed. If the problem is not yet fixed after clearing it from the background, the second step you can simply take is to check your network. You need to turn on airplane mode like this and turn it off as well. Now, having a bad network can actually prevent your video from uploading on TikTok. So you need to make sure that you have a good network. So if after checking your network and your network is good, yet your video is still stuck at uploading, this is what you simply need to do. You can simply go to your profile like this. Go to your profile and click on the three line icon at the top right corner. So right here, you can simply go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Then go ahead and scroll down gently. Now looking right here, you can see where it says free up space. So you need to go ahead and click on that. So right here, you need to click on clear cache and click on clear like this, and also click on download and clear your download. So with this is actually going to help you to fix this problem as well. If after clearing this, yes, the problem is not yet fixed, this is what you can simply do next. You can simply go to your device settings like this. Right here, you need to scroll and click on apps. You can see that right here. So you need to go ahead and click on apps like this. Click on the search button and search for TikTok. Go ahead and click on the TikTok app. Now if you're using iPhone, you need to go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app back on your device. So right here, if you are using an Android device, you simply need to come right here, click on storage. You can see that here. Click on clear cache and also click on clear data. Once you click on clear data, your information, your login information on your TikTok account is going to be cleared, and you are going to be asked to relog into your TikTok app. Once you do that, this problem is going to be fixed. So tell me in the comment section the step that actually worked out for you. Thanks for watching. Now hit the like button. We've come to the very end of this video. Hit the subscribe button as well and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.